So, have you ever opened Temu, seen those crazy low prices, and thought, how are people getting these deals? Like, seriously, same product, same app, but somehow cheaper for someone else. Well, here's the thing most people don't realize those prices usually come from hidden discounts. And once you understand how that system works, you stop guessing and start using it to your advantage. So, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to actually get discount codes in 2026 in a way that's real and actually works. All right, first, let's understand where these discounts come from. They're not random. Most of them are created by the platform to attract new users or keep existing users active. And this explains something that confuses a lot of people. New users almost always get better deals. That's why you'll see someone getting a huge discount while you barely see anything. It's not luck, it's how the system is designed. So if you are just starting, this is your biggest opportunity. Create your account login and pay attention immediately, because right after signing up, you'll usually get a welcome offer. And sometimes those are the best discounts you'll ever see. Now, here's where most people make a mistake. They ignore the homepage, but the homepage is actually where a lot of deals appear first. You'll see banners, pop-ups, limited time offers, and they're not there by accident. The app is actively trying to get you to use those discounts. So instead of skipping them, take a second and check what's available. Now, here's something even more important. Your coupon section. This is where many people lose money without realizing it, because they already have discounts sitting there unused. So before you buy anything, always check your coupons. It only takes a few seconds, but it can save you money every single time. Now let's talk about something that sounds simple but makes a big difference. Daily activity. If you open Temu regularly, you'll start getting small rewards, credits, extra discounts, or limited offers. At first, it doesn't seem like much, but over time, it builds up. And that's why people who use the app often usually get better deals. Now, here's another key factor: timing. Not all days are the same. During special promotions, you'll find better discounts than usual. So if you're patient, you can save more just by waiting for the right moment. Now let's clear something up, because this confuses a lot of people. Not all discounts are the same. Some offers are personalized. That means what you see depends on your account, your activity, your behavior, and how you use the app. So if someone shows you a crazy discount and you don't see it, that's normal. It's not guaranteed that everyone gets the same offers. Now let's talk about something you should avoid completely: random discount code websites. You've probably seen them. They promise working codes, but most of the time they don't work, or they're expired. So instead of wasting time, they're focused on official offers inside the app. That's where the real discounts are. Now here's a simple strategy that actually works. Check the app regularly, look at your coupons, and use offers when they appear. And when possible, combine discounts. Sometimes you can stack a coupon with a sale price, and that's where you get the best deals. Now let's be honest for a second. Are you always going to get huge discounts? No. But if you understand the system, you will consistently pay less than most people. And over time, that makes a big difference. So here's the bottom line. Discounts are not random. They're part of how the platform works. And once you understand that, you stop missing opportunities and you start using the system in your favor. And that's exactly how to get discount codes step by step in 2026. If you want next, I can show you how to get even cheaper prices or the mistakes that make people lose discounts.